Jai Hind, everybody. Thank you for being here in the graveyard shift after lunch when everybody wants to take siesta. Thank you for joining me. Today, I happen to be talking to you on importance of innovation, improvisation in governance and public policy. See, when we govern, when we implement the public policy, we all go by rules. Rules are important. But as you rise in the ranks, you go into senior ranks, you have to learn to bend the rules, you have to learn to stretch the rules, you have to work past the rules. So I will share my experiences with you. When I was Western Army commander and commanding at Chandi Mandir, I thought of making a museum. And now when I told my people that I want to make a museum, they told me you can't do it. Because army has a Bible of civil works and the kind of construction you can do. It is called Compendium of Works. The museum is not listed over there. They said you can't do it. There will be audit objection. No funds can be released. So I have also learned that the rules can be bent by complicating an explanation, making a very complicated explanation against those rules. So I put up for storage. Stores are allowed to be made. Specialized storage for archival information under environmentally controlled conditions. So you can put air conditioners, you can put lightings, and you can make a store. So we started off. Now I shared my concept with my people and I told them that our headquarters was raised initially in a train. You know, Western Command headquarters was raised to control the partition in 1947. And when that was done, it was felt it's a temporary headquarters. So it was given the Vice-Regal train. The train was given to them. They thought after the partition is over, these riots are over, this headquarters will be closed. So no need to give them proper permanent offices. So they started off in that train. So I told my staff that I want to recreate that train. The first reaction of everybody was that our army commander has gone senile. ये सतरा बतरा गया, ये पागल हो गया, ये की कह रहा ट्रेन कितों ले आएगा? But then I persisted. I went to railway board. I went to Railway Minister Suresh Prabhu, managed to convince them, and my dear friends, the train did arrive. You can see it in Chandi Mandir. An engine was found next to Shakur Basti. A coach was found at Indore, replicating that age. And the next thing they said, you know, when you do work, all babus, all staff will tell you, हो नहीं सकता. Sir, इसको लेकर कैसे आएंगे? But then we found specialized transport. Some house boundary wall had come up there, so it had to be broken. But the person was so nice, he said, you won't repair it. I will do it myself. It's for good cause. It all came here. Then my staff said, sir, ये ले तो आ रहे हो, लेकिन railway line कैसे आएगी यहाँ? But in Ludhiana, there are kabadis, they have answer for everything. So scrap dealers gave us the railway lines. Then they said, how much money we will spend on this? How can we restore it? Then again, we took the Ludhiana example. We went to railway workshops, found the old things, and restored it at a cost which surprised us also. But when I was doing all this, one brigadier, he came up to me and he told me, sir, I have been your biggest critic, biggest skeptic. Now I want to tell you that I want to join you. मैं तो चला था अकेला ही मंजिले जानिब, लोग जुड़ते गए, कारवां बन गया. So I said, how will you join me? He said, sir, very simple. In Patiala there is a Pushpak aircraft lying and nobody, it's on army charge and nobody is doing anything to it for last 20 years I have seen. And it was with Western Command in operations. I will get it here. You give me orders, and that aircraft also arrived. You can see it on the right hand side. So train arrived, aircraft arrived, the headquarters got recreated. Only because I chose to push the envelope and not accept the fact that compendium doesn't list the museum. It's a living, thriving museum of its own kind. So now let me tell you another story, because TEDx is all about telling stories. When I was retiring, the choice was to play golf, go to bar, relax, travel. I said no, I will retire myself. So I chose to start my PhD. I was lucky to become a chair professor in Punjab University. I am still honorary professor and professor of practice in Chandigarh University. And luckily for me, I was appointed by Haryana government or Haryana Chief Minister as his advisor. So I used to visit districts one after another. Sabko hila do, ground ke upar jaakar. Go and see it yourself. They got so worried, they shifted me as Haryana State Information Commissioner. They said, ye zyada dekhega to gadr ho jayega. So I was shifted there. So when I was shifted there, I invoked Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi says that customer is the most important, visitor on your premises. I modified it to say information seeker, because the general tendency in Information Commission is that RTI is a bad word. The people who put the application, they are called complainants. They are not given any importance. I decided to change the whole logic. They used to say that you will have to show your ID card. You'll have to apply like this. But I gave an order, no, that's not required. You can put up your complaint, we will look at your complaint, we will give you information. Now, when all this was happening and I created a setup, the COVID stuck. Now for 3 months, there were no hearings. What happens in Information Commission is a complaint comes, the complainant travels from Bhiwani, Mahendragarh, Rohtak, Hisar in Haryana, and the government official comes to give answer. Now because of COVID, nobody was coming. So it all stopped. For 3 months, no activity. Then I got bored. I told my PA, let's do something. We started, when we proposed this, because there are many information commissioners, they said, ye ho nahi sakta. This is quasi-judicial. You have to record it. You can't do it. All over India, people were sleeping and not doing hearings. I decided to defy it. We started doing on WhatsApp. Now WhatsApp in Haryana is difficult because Haryanvis are little sakat. आप लोग उसको stubborn भी कहते हो. तो Haryanvis would say, साहब जी, नेट को ना आवे, बैंडविड्थ ना मिले, कैमरा ऑन करा दिया थे. So I said no, we will do normal hearing. You have to just give me that you are ready. And would you believe it, normally we used to hear 100 cases, we started hearing 150 cases in a month. It became a record. People started putting complaint at other information commissioners. They said, marwa diya humko bhi. Hum to soye pade the. They had also to start this thing. It became an all India case. Everybody had to do it like this. And see, we saved so much of money. Nobody had to travel. Nobody had to come and hire accommodation here. And no such problem or challenge. But only because we decided to push the envelope. You have to take the rule. Don't make rule the God. तुम जिस लम्हे में जिंदा हो, वो लम्हा तुमसे है. तुम अपनी करनी कर गुजरो, जो होगा वो देखा जाएगा. Do your thing that you feel is right. Don't worry about what is going to happen. The third thing I will tell you, because I don't know about the time. Somebody was helping me, but I am okay. So here, what happened is when I became army commander, I came to Chandi Mandir. and I used to walk around, and I used to go past a Buddha garden. And in Buddha garden, I would see there was a Ladakhi who was looking after it. So I went there. One day, I asked him, I said, there is no Buddha over here. There's nothing of Buddha over here. I had come from Sikkim. There is not even prayer wheel. This prayer wheel that you see was installed after I told them. So I said, there's nothing like this here. So he's a Ladakhi, simple guy. He asked me, Aap kaun? Who are you? You are the army commander. You think you control from Jammu to Dehradun. But this simple soldier is asking you, who are you? Aap kaun? I said, I'm army commander. So you know what he says? Lagta to nahi. It doesn't appear so. So there is anger building up in you. You are introspecting. T-shirt is good. Shorts is nice. Nike shoes. Lovely cap I am wearing, stylist. Lagta kyun nahi? But then you have to control it. I asked him, फिर army commander कैसा होता है? How's an army commander? He says, जब वो आता है, उसके आगे 15 आदमी आता है, उसके साथ और लोग आता है. तुम पिछला 20 दिन से इधर आता है, अकेला आता है. He comes with a huge big lot of people, you come alone. So I took him to I went to my home, I changed into uniform, and I came back there, and I told him, yes, I am army commander. We became very good friends. We became such good friends that I used to call him for tea. When he used to go to Ladakh, he used to get me gifts. He is still in touch with me. So in life, don't get stymied by your ego. Don't get stopped by your anger. Overcome it. Build humor into it. Go past the problem. Nobody, he's doing his duty. He's just asking you, lagta to nahi, because, and I didn't change my style. I never took anybody with me because it is my privacy. I need to have my privacy. I need to have my quiet walking. So I never took any people with me. And I'll close by this. काश तुझ पर भी आरटीआई लागू होती है जिंदगी, बहुत से जवाब चाहिए मुझे भी. This life is full of questions, full of riddles, full of puzzles. I need a lot of answers from this life. But you can't sit back. Answers will have to be found by you. As an RTI commissioner, I know, bend the rules, go past the rules. Don't only stick to rules. Rules are for guidance. Rules are not to deny services to others. Rules are not to deny progress. Improvise. Innovate. Jugaad. Hindustani jugaad. But take the things to their logical conclusion. I have enjoyed talking to you. I can't see your faces well, but I hope I have been able to contribute something to your lives. Jai Hind.